Another day, another story. 9. Route strategy. A route strategy aims to enter a trade as soon as the price manages to break out of its range. Dealers are looking for strong instigation, and the factual route is the signal to enter the position and profit from the request movement that follows. Dealers may enter the positions in the request, which means they will have to nearly cover the price action, or by placing buy stop and vend stop orders. They will generally place the stop just below the former resistance position or above the former support position. To set their exit targets, dealers may use classic support-resistance situations. 10. News trading. News trading is a strategy in which the dealer tries to benefit from a request move that has been touched off by a major news event. This could be anything from a central bank meeting and unprofitable data release to an unanticipated event, natural disaster, or geopolitical pressures raising. News trading can be veritably parlous, as the request tends to be extremely unpredictable during those times. You'll also find that the spread of the affected trading instruments may widen significantly. Due to liquidity sinking, you're also at threat of slippage, meaning your trade could be executed at a significantly worse price than anticipated, or you may struggle to get out of your trade at the position you had in mind. So now that you're apprehensive of the pitfalls, let's look at how you could trade the news. First of all, you need to determine which event you want to trade and which currency brace it'll affect the most. A meeting of the European Central Bank will clearly impact the euro the most. Still, which specific currency brace should you pick? If you're awaiting a hawkish ECB that will gesture rate hikes, it would make sense to pick a low-yielding currency, similar as the Japanese yearning. Euro, JPY could thus be the right choice. Likewise, you can approach news trading either with a bias or no bias at all. It means that you have an idea of where you suppose the request might move depending on how the event unfolds. On the other hand, news trading without bias means that you'll try to capture the big move anyhow of its direction. 11. Retracement trading. Retracement trading includes temporary changes in the direction of a certain trading instrument. Retracements shouldn't be confused with reversals. While reversals indicate a major change in the trend, retracements are just temporary retreats. By trading retracements, you're still trading in the direction of the trend. You're trying to capitalize on short-term price reversals within a major price trend. There are several ways you can trade retracements. For illustration, you could use trend lines. Let's have a look at the map of the US 500 below. The indicator is in a clear uptrend, and the rising trend line could have been used as a buying occasion once the price tests the factual trend line. Fibonacci retracements are another popular tool to trade retracements, particularly the 38.2, 61.8, and 78.6 situations. 12. Grid trading. Grid trading involves placing multiple orders over and below a certain price. The idea behind it's to benefit from volatility by placing both buy and vend orders at regular intervals over and below the set price position. For illustration, every 10 pips over and below. Still, your position gets larger, and so does your floating P&L, if the price moves in one direction. The threat is, of course, that you'll get false flights or an unforeseen reversal. How to compare forex strategies. Each dealer should try to identify their own edge. This might be a set of chops that the dealer possesses. For illustration, some dealers might have a short attention span but are quick with figures and can handle the stress of intraday trading extremely well, whereas a dealer with a different trading style may not be suitable to serve efficiently in this kind of terrain, but could rather be a professed strategist who can always keep sight of the bigger picture. For freshman dealers, it's especially important to identify what chops they may have and conform the trading strategy according to each existent's personality, not the other way around. There are numerous benefits of forex trading, so it's over to you to compare the strategies which may be more suited. How can you find out which FX trading strategy suits you? Test them out in a rally terrain with virtual finances. When you get a feeling about which one suits you the stylish, you can consider testing it out in a live terrain. Not indeed also is the process finished. Some dealers might find day trading suitable for them, but also change to swing trading laterally in their trading career. Just as the request terrain constantly evolves, so do dealers and their preferences. In addition to that, you can take one of the numerous free personality tests on the internet, which might give you with farther perceptivity.